Welcome back to my channel. Our today's recipe is chicken pakora. So I'll be showing you two kinds of pakora. One is dipped in a sauce and the other is plain. Both taste different. So we'll need chicken, ginger paste, garlic paste, corn flour or arrowroot powder, capsicum, green chilies, one whole egg. We'll break eggs in our chicken. Add capsicum and green chilies. Add ginger and garlic paste. We'll add a pinch of color, jafrani rang, salt, and corn flour. I am using arrowroot powder and a Ajinomoto. Mix it well. Now add a little vinegar. You can also add lemon juice in place of vinegar. Red chili powder. Mix it again. Now fry them. We'll fry them on a high heat. So our one kind of pakora, that is plain pakora, is ready. Now we will prepare our saucy pakora. For that we have heat oil in a pan. Add chopped ginger and garlic. Red chili sauce. Tomato sauce. Soya sauce. And a little water. We have not added any salt because our sauce contains salt itself. Let it simmer. Now add your fried pakora in prepared sauce. So another pakora is ready. Both pakora have different taste. Both taste unique. Please try out my recipes and give me a feedback in a comment section below. Thanks for watching CookTube Ronak.